Okay, so how about the vertical one? You see, I have an irregular shape, like a state, right? It's a regular shape. We're gonna do the calculation for force. It's inclined, right? This would be the projection that is upright up until here. This is gonna do for the horizontal one. So how about the vertical force for this body that is water? With an irregular
weight force? Or
weight force, exactly. So now that we know how to calculate the two components separately, we're going to tackle the problem. So this time, the mathematical rules and manipulations would come in hand, right? So these just look simple at first, you know. For the vertical one, we know its weight. For the horizontal one, we know its projection. So how to calculate the projection? Are we comfortable with the calculations? Are we comfortable with the trigonometry?